Nemo, where are you, son? Nemo. Oh, no, not again. Nemo! Nemo's turning out the sea!
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo! Come out, where are you?
Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Where?
That's why we're trying to find him.
Find who?
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together. Stop playing games.
I love games. I'm thinking of something big, bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish. Stop playing games.
I love games.
Hurry, do something.
Hey, Scabby Jaws. Can't catch me.
Swim away.
Like I'm scared now.
Swim over and say good day, Harold and Bruce. Don't worry, morsel, mate. Fish are friends, not food. This is the universe. I wonder if
Go with the flow.
Right behind you, Dad. Come on, Nemo.
Righteous! Righteous!
Totally. But everybody's looking for you.
Really? When your dad can find the ball, and then it was like,
Come aboard, explorers.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo. I've never seen before. So many creatures in a big blue world. All
Righteous! Righteous!
we're here with all our friends in the big blue world.
Something big and scary!
There's so much to know.
I mean, never, ever, never stop.
Filled with wonder and new discoveries. See you next time.